y'all, so I am doing another vlog. Today is the 27th of October, so it was 1 week since I posted the last vlog. So let's just give an update on what I've been doing to get back to myself. So the first thing I did to get back to myself was last week was realize my meaning of trust and what I think it is. So today I'm actually going to get my hair done. I am on the way to the salon to see Whitney because I need her to play in this hair and get it back to black. And I'm gonna get it straightened because the weather is cooler, so it should last a little longer. I've been working out. This is my day 3. Today's Wednesday. Yeah, so this was day 3 of me working out. Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all, if y'all don't work out or whatever, like just go outside, take a walk or something. It is so relaxing, y'all. It's helping my stress. So day 3 of working out, I feel good. My body hurts, but it hurts in a good way. And like I said, right now I'm heading to the salon to get my hair
half
done.
a mile, keep left at
So
the
that's
fork to
gonna
stay
be
on I-95 North.
You
Follow
know,
signs
so
for
I'm gonna
I-495 East Baltimore.
What else am I doing today? I ordered some tracksuits, y'all, because I wanted to get the kCharles Couture tracksuit going. But the quality, when it came, it wasn't what I liked.
Keep
So
left at
I'm
the fork to stay
scrapping
on I-95 North.
this. I'm scrapping the tracksuits, and I'm gonna just start fresh. I'm gonna find another vendor that can give me what it is I'm looking for. Because the ones that I got, like the prototypes were nice, but the ones when they actually sent them to me, I didn't really like them. I don't own the rights to any of this music you may hear in the background because I just got, oh, this is another thing I did, y'all. Y'all know I love music, especially when I'm in my car. I like to turn up the music loud and sing. So what I did was I got my Sirius XM back on in the car. So now I can turn my music up and blast it. I can also make a couple TikTok videos with songs that come on that you can't really do when you're playing the music with your phone and trying to video. So I did get my XM back on, y'all, and I feel good about that. Like, I've been in here pumping the music up too. So I'm excited about that. That makes me feel good. Like, I can get in my car and take a nice drive and just pump me some loud music. I don't care what genre it is. I will pump it up. I'll be in here singing and everything. So that's making me feel real good. It's killing a lot of the stress. I feel better about the home buying process now because I do have cabinets in my house. I'm just waiting for them to install some countertops so that I can get the final closing date. But I do feel like that's progressing. I've been talking to the underwriters. So, you know, once you start talking to the underwriters and they want to make sure you got that money in there for closing, I'm feeling a little good. I feel like I'm down to probably 2 more weeks. And then it'll really be like time to get going. Another thing that made me feel good, y'all, was my cousin called me. This is my oldest cousin on my father's side. He called me out the blue on Saturday and just said, hey, cuz, how you doing? What? Let me tell y'all, that made me feel so good. When I hung up the phone with him, I just was like in tears because it's not that often that people just call and check up on me. I don't know about you all, but it's not that often that I get a phone call and someone's just like, hey, how you doing? Like, what's going on in your life? I'm good. Are you good? So it felt really good to get that phone call from him out of the blue. Nothing was wrong. Nobody was hurt. Nobody was dead. You know, it's like one of them cousins that, you know, if you see the phone ringing, you like, oh God, what happened? Something's wrong. But nope, none of that. Just hey, cuz, I love you. I'm here if you ever need to talk. You want to run some things by me, I'm here. And y'all, it just made me feel so good to have that. So that's what's been going on so far. Now I am going to definitely hit y'all back when I get into the salon. I'm gonna navigate some of this traffic, but that's gonna be that's what I'm doing today. So I just wanted to give you all an update from the last time I was on here, and I'll be back, you know, once this stuff gets, you know, get wild. Let me tell y'all something. Another good thing that's for me, that's stress relief, go get your hair washed. If you have, I don't care what kind of hair you got, even if you got a shaved off bald head, go to a salon, go to a barber shop, and just lean back in that chair and let them wash your hair. Like, to have somebody massage your hair and get it clean, y'all, it's a good feeling. So I'm going to get mine done today, and I'll be back on here. I actually thought I was going to be meeting my ex-husband. He bought some t-shirts from me that he wanted, some custom-made shirts. So I thought I was going to meet him in the process before I got here, but he hit me and said we got to meet after. So I'm fine with that too, because he's already paid me for my shirt. So hey, he can get them shirts at this point whenever he wants to. But that's all I'm gonna do for right now. I'll be back on here later and give you all the update on what's happening. Peace. She did it again, y'all. Woo! Oh, I love it. That feels so good. And it feels so good, too. Woo! She's back, y'all. What's up? What's up? Your girl is back, and she is in the car again. Hey, hey, hey. Look at that head. Hey, look at the body. What? We got fresh trim and fresh ends. Oh, it's moving, y'all. I'm finna break my neck. Look, let's see what it look like with my glasses, y'all. Because I did not put my contact in. Let's see. Let's see how the glasses is popping. Up. Boom. Boom. Shaka-laka-la. Check it out. Okay. She rolling. She is moving. She is shaking, y'all. I love my hair. Look at it. It is giving me life. Life. Oh, oh, life. Giving it life. Giving it life. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Okay, so y'all can see I'm in a really good mood today. Let me tell y'all why I'm in a really good mood today. I am in a really good mood because I have cabinets all throughout my house. We just wait on countertops. Once those countertops are in, y'all, I am ready to go. I got my money ready for my closing. I am ready. So I'm going to get my girlfriend to go down there on Sunday or Saturday and like walk through the house while she got me on video phone so I can see like what's popping, because I don't even know if they got my floors down or not yet. They probably don't. I don't know what my outside looks like. I don't think it's no grass or anything like that, but it's getting closer, so I'm feeling a little better about that. I'm still praying that my next storage payment is my last. Make it the last. Make it the last. She ready. She ready. Hey, oh, look at that body, y'all. What? Huh? What happened? What y'all is it? Huh? Who is that? Anywho, I'm sorry. I am like all in my head, y'all. I'm loving it, y'all. I'm just telling you. Loving my hair. Anywho, y'all know I'm driving in the car. So, but peep this. So I do have cabinets now. I'm waiting on my countertop to be installed so I can get an official moving date. And then I can put my official time in to be off work. Because my plan was I thought I would be in there like November 1st, but that is not going to happen. And I was just going to take off November and December. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off 2 months. I don't care what it is. 2 whole months I'm going to be taking off. And I have an interview on Tuesday. So y'all pray for your girl. Pray your girl gets that money. Because I'm paper chasing right now. I need the paper chase. It was in the same agency. So I'm not leaving agency. I'm still going to be able to telework 100%. But just pray your girl get that job. Because that's, you know, that would be an extra blessing on top of the blessings that I'm already receiving. Because I get a blessing every morning. I wake up and my eyes open. So be thankful for what you have, y'all. And I'm very thankful and very grateful. But, you know, hey, the Lord says continue to succeed and continue to be better and grow with yourself. And that's what I'm trying to do, Lord. I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to make sure that I'm doing better and getting better. So yes, let's pray for one of these jobs to come through. I actually applied to 3 jobs. I have an interview for 1. And let's see what happens with the other 2. But hopefully one of them will come through. But that's my news for today. I really wanted to get back on here and show y'all my hair. I know y'all going to see. I'm going to put the steps that she did, because I did take video and pictures in the process of her doing my hair. And look at that, y'all. It's not even red or brown no more. My hair is black again, y'all. Ooh. I told y'all, Whitney gave me a life. She gave me a life. I'm back. I feel like I'm back. I feel real good. So that is going to end my vlog for this week, because I don't have anything else to talk about. Y'all, if you're out there trick-or-treating, if you have children and your children are out there trick-or-treating, be safe. In fact, I think I got to figure out what kind of costume I'm going to get, because my mom is talking about handing out candy. So if she hands out candy, I think I want to be kind of dressed up. So if y'all got some Halloween ideas or suggestions, go and throw them down at the bottom. Please make it something I don't have to go and buy, because I'm not trying to buy a costume. Maybe I can just try to, oh, you know, I'm a DIY tonight. I'm going to do that. I'm going to go on YouTube and DIY costumes and just try to throw something on for the kids, because you know that's gonna be so much fun. I'm looking forward to that. What else I want to talk about? House. Do we want to talk about relationships today? Y'all want to talk about relationships? I don't. Probably because I say the greatest. But anywho, again, I'm loving life.